Hey, what is up, guys? My first Minecraft video is Mineplex. Well, Minecraft. The server's Mineplex and Plex Bravo Games. The IP will be in the description below. If you guys enjoy it. Yeah, I tried to make a video, and I kind of died right away, so. See if this one will be the one. Oh, sprint fail. Okay, I'm running. Yeah, so you guys were asking for, well, I don't know if you were asking, but I wanted to put this up. And I finally got my gaming footage, so if you guys like that I finally did it, got it up, and you guys are going to see gaming, then leave a like, comment, subscribe, please. Ooh, and a stone sword, yay. I kind of played, oh, no, I want that. Okay, so I played last time, and this guy was like, oh yeah, totally, I have nothing. Kind of like Captain Sparkles does. And then I walk up to him and I start hitting him. Like, I hit him like 50 times, and then it ended up he had a stone axe. But I hit him like so many times with my fist. I know it's with my fist. Like 50 times. And he was still alive. Like, how is that possible? How? Like, I hit him so many times. And even though he had a stone axe, he should have died. But, you know, whatever. So if you guys don't know what Mineplex is, it's a really fun server. Captain Sparkles is part of running it. And there's like a whole bunch of mini games and stuff, and it's really fun. I checked it out. It's going to be in the description below, so yeah. I already have legs on, right? Yeah. So what Mineplex is really, there's a whole bunch of mini games on it. And like, yeah. That's basically what it is. There's just a whole bunch of mini games on it. It's fun. And if I find a stick, I have an iron sword. Oh boy, give me a stick. Come on, help! Just give me a stick. Man, if I can just find a stick. Stick. Please. That's all I need is one stick. Oh, really? You're not gonna give me the only thing I want and need? I mean, I'd just be OP if I got a... I have 3 iron ingots, and not even a stick. If I just get one stick, then I will have an iron sword. See, there's even... I'm so mad right now. I just need one stick. I don't have a stick in my inventory, that's for sure. I don't have a compass either if there is to be a supply drop. Oh, jeez. I just don't even know what I'm gonna do. I just need one stick. That's all I'm asking for, is a stick. All I want is a stick. Can't you just be, like, nice with me? I have 3 iron ingots and no stick. I just need a stick so I can make an iron sword, and then I'll be boss, just please. I just need a stick. Come on, that's all I'm asking for. Come on. I have 3 iron ingots and no stick. If I get a stick, I can make an iron sword. I've probably already checked this. I mean, at least I have a stone sword. Where's the freeze? I'm scared. Is the freeze gonna kill me? There's a chest in here. I saw XRP and X13 go in here once. Yeah, I knew it. Really? You're not gonna give me a stick? You're kidding me. Oh, jeez, there's a freeze. Yeah, I'm out of here. Well, I mean, it's decent, and I just accidentally used ground pound. I just want a single stick. If only you could break blocks in this. Just give me a stupid stick. Huh, he's gonna die. Actually, I might want to find a stick first. Give me... Oh, why am I getting... Okay, I'm getting all this stuff, and like... If only I had a level. Oh, someone died by the freeze. Oh, okay. Okay, it's getting a little too out of hand. Where's their stuff? I kind of want their stuff, but... I don't know if stuff disappears by the freeze. I don't know, but I'm gonna die by it. I can't hear anything. It's all fuzzy. I'm out. Hold on. But there's just a chest in here. I'm probably gonna die by the freeze. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going. I'm leaving. Get out of my life. Oh, that's one thing about Mineplex is that there's a freeze, and I'm on Soul Sand, and it sucks. Oh, that was close. There's probably a stick in that chest just because I didn't get to check it. So yeah, that was probably my chance of getting an iron sword. That really sucks. Okay, one more person, we're going into deathmatch, so better watch out. I mean, people. I wonder who got that supply drop, is what I really am asking myself. Because if there was a. Because I've seen Captain Sparkles get in. Oh, lag. I've seen Captain Sparkles get a diamond sword from a supply drop once. So. Oh, lag, frame rate. I just want a chest that has a stick in it. Like, is that. Like, for everything I can ask for, it's a. What was that? Oh, another supply drop? Oh, no, I don't want deathmatch to start. I want a stick. I know, it's crazy. From everything I'm asking for, it's a stick, and I can't even get it. Jeez. Jeez, jeez, jeez. Jeez Louise. But this is a pretty good survival games. I might win this. Unless... Ah, jeez. Deathmatch is starting. Oh, shoot. Deathmatch is gonna start. Deathmatch is gonna start. What? 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 How is that? I don't get this game. Oh, no. Oh, I just have to survive till deathmatch starts. Now I really want deathmatch to start. Going in the opposite way of them. Did they see me? Oh, I'm afraid they see me. They saw me. Even if they did, I'll just let them chase me, and I'll just use ground pound and stuff till deathmatch starts. Oh, I'm scared now. I'm really scared. Whew. I already checked this, right? Yeah, I did. If only I could just do this, I'd be really much. I just want a stick. What the? Deathmatch? Oh jeez. No, not already. He has an enchant. It's me and 3 other people. Oh jeez, he has a bow. He has a bow. I'm running. What? Got sticks. Oh god, I knew it. He has a diamond sword. I knew it. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, well. There I go. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. That was my first gaming episode, so comment, rate, subscribe, and like. Thank you, everybody.